Barbara from Gluten Free Homestead. Today I'm showing you how to make zucchini lasagna. Now it's just like classic lasagna but without the noodles. So it's grain-free and low carb. The secret ingredient is sausage. You've got to try this. Ready to make zucchini lasagna? Let's go. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description. And be sure to subscribe, like, and follow. And check out more of my videos for delicious recipes you can easily make at home. See you there.